In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Amazon card to bank account. Firstly, go to the official Amazon Pay website or find it from your country's Amazon homepage. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and if you have 2FA enabled, input it. Once logged in, locate the Gift Cards tab. It shows you current Amazon Pay balance and options to manage or redeem cards. Enter the 16-digit code from your physical or digital gift card, then add it to your balance. The amount will now show in your Amazon Pay balance. From the Amazon Pay dashboard, select Send Money or Transfer to Bank. Choose Bank Transfer as your transfer option. Provide your account holder name, account number, and EFSC code. Input the amount you want to transfer, then choose Amazon Pay balance as the payment method. Just double-check all info, tap Confirm to process the transfer. Funds usually reflect in 1 to 3 business days, depending on the bank and location. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.